This is the story of how a small and simple idea has changed lives and brought hope. 12 years ago, in a shed at the foot of Greyfriars Kirkyard, old church pews were being recycled into stylish furniture. Today the same thing happens, but on a much bigger scale, in a purpose-built workshop.
Screw it or
What we did last time was just glued it and pinned it with a couple of pins just to hold it in place.
Aye, then that one should just come into it, I think. I've done woodwork before in the past, and obviously I've had a bad few years, so I sort of got into this, volunteered with the Grassmarket project, and I've sort of grown to the idea. Leave the line on.
Aye, leave the line on.
I want to get back into work and get off the benefit system and just to live a normal, happy life.
Drop that a wee bit. You're going to have to go two ways, aye. Try not to have your fingers in line with the blade. My passion is improving and changing the lives of the people who come into the project. Someone who's not felt valued all their life, when they make like a small gift, it could be a small clock or a little chopping board or something. These two rulers, that one there needs sanded on that side. Just maybe 5 minutes for each one, just that side, because this side here has already been done. So you feel the difference between that. Feel it? When they make something that's worth something, then that puts value onto that individual, so they then feel good about themselves. So when they have made that small item and they come back to me and say, I want to come back next week, you've hooked them at that point, so they want to come back next week. Then they get involved in some of the bigger projects, and you can see the beautiful stuff around the workshop. That then builds their confidence and their self-esteem and their motivation, and this is what changes people's lives, and that's my passion about the project. We make beautiful furniture, but it's the individuals, the life-changing that we do in the project that I value.
I came here because I was ill, and through the illness I took depression and had mental health issues. Social work got involved and they were going to be sending carers out. I didn't want that, so somebody had told me about this place and I came along with a support worker, and that was 4 years ago, and I've been here ever since. It gets me out the house, and it is part of my life now, coming here. The top.
It's a lot worse. I've seen worse.
This is my own tartan. It's Greyfriars. It's all made at the Grassmarket Community Project by volunteers. It's just like being part of a big family. It gets me out and about and talking to people.
Bella mama, yeah.
Everyone gets on really well here. We enjoy all the activities. It's for people who have been on their own, people who have not had confidence of getting about. They've always been isolated. Nice for them to come along and meet up and be a part of the families.
Now see if you can hear the person next to you.
The purpose of this community is to reach out and engage with some of the most vulnerable and socially isolated individuals in our communities, including people who are homeless, people who are rough sleeping, people with mental health issues, and basically provide them with a purpose and a sense of belonging. What's your first hi, guys?
Tommy going on holiday.
Tommy going on holiday.
I find myself blundering into things, sometimes coming up with a wacky idea with no real skill or knowledge about how to achieve it. But when you launch an idea, sometimes people come from the most unlikely places to help make it happen, and that's exactly what's happened here.